This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Christine Kohlberg. Beautiful Craftsman Style Home designed by one of Atlanta's top architects. This fine home offers privacy in a peaceful mountain setting, all paved road access, easy maintenance home and yard. Located in the midst of North Georgia Apple County and close to several wonderful wineries. Featuring a chef's kitchen to delight the cook and the family, large dining room open to the greatroom, huge master suite, guest suite, office and laundry all located on the main level. The terrace level includes a large recreation room, bedroom, bath and children's playroom, so there is plenty of room to entertain family and friends during those special gatherings. Covered porch, deck and fenced patio area with fire pit for enjoying the clear mountain air. 4-car garage parking, 2-car attached and 2-car detached. Whole house generator. Freshly painted and ready for you to move in. For more information,